What's going on, everyone? So, I just got done with the raid. Well, let me stop. I shouldn't say that. We got to Callus, and it's now 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, and we decided to call it quits, and we'll finish it tomorrow. So, what I'm gonna do is open up the legendary Engrams I got from the raid. So I have 5 that I picked up, and then I want to say 13 or 14 at the postmaster. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up, see what I get. Hopefully it's something good. Right now I am light level 281.
No, it couldn't possibly be that simple.
What can I do for you, Warlock?
What am I getting? What am I getting? Some chest pieces. I'll keep it because I plan on making a second Warlock. Scathlock. I feel like this is the most common legendary to get. Alright. There we go. Boom. Next. Red Mamba. The Rattler. Okay. And a Warlock Bond. All this stuff is so much lower than what I have now, which I expected. Alright, let's go see how many I have in the postmaster and open those up.
Yes.
7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 20 legendary Engrams.
Confirmed. Check. Check, check, check.
Alright.
Sends is safe to sell.
Let's see what we've got for each other.
Round 2. Hawthorne's Field Forged Shotgun. No, keep it just in case. Okay. $247. Got me another pair of gauntlets. That's got a huge magazine. Bad news. It's just an automatic dismantle. I do not like that hand cannon at all. Alright, next we get a wand. Not bad, not bad at all. Nox Echo 3, pretty sure it's a fusion rifle. Yeah. Just another boots. Another pair of boots. Alright. Now let's get to the second half of this.
Done. Acknowledged. Done. Thank you.
Round 3. Last round.
Then?
Let's do it. Give me something I can use. I'm gonna have this whole freaking like kit. I got the gloves. I got the boot. No, I don't, do I? No, I have the gloves and I have the bond and then I have the helmet. See, I feel like Skaithlock is just dismantle. Okay. Really? Really? T71. Flash and Thunder. Huh. T73 gives me this same weapon. Call to serve. Why do I feel like that's a scout rifle? It is. 278, that's not bad at all. High-minded complex. Delete this one. Same thing again. Alright, so that's it for all the legendaries I have. Nothing too special. I knew it wasn't going to give me any type of boost. I'm too far into the power
There
leveling
is hope for humanity.
like curve for it to do anything. At this point, I just need exotics and powerful Engrams. So that's going to do it for this video. If you liked it, subscribe down below. I'll see you guys in the next one.